David here, weekly week look. Today is 6th of January. Happy New Year 2019, 8:30 in the morning, Sunday morning, markets close. Yearly chart in front of us, monthly candles. We can still identify this trend is still holding. We've got a swing low here, come down at 170. This is the May contract, closed at 178.75. We've only had 3 days trading, so we'll whip through this pretty quickly. That's the candle for the month at the moment. Sorry, that's for the weekly candle. Come down to the daily, and at the present we can see here they're above the 60 SMA, still holding, and we've got the 30-day crossing above it. Just zoom in here on the May contract. The green line here you can see is the 10 SMA, simple moving average. We had this big red candle here on the 27th, but we're back above the 10 MSA, 10 moving average. The trend a longer term is still up. We're still holding. All the moving averages are in place now. We've got the 10, 30 and 60. So until we see something change, which I would put the market closing below the 60 SMA, which is this red line here, which is down at 175, looks to be holding. So no sort of advice to do anything different at the moment. On the new crop, we can see here, this is dicing with this 10 SMA here. Let's zoom in here. I'm a little bit more nervous with the new crop. I don't know why really, but when you look at it, say this big red candle here on the 27th, same as the old crop, is the problem, I think. This closes below the short-term 10 moving average, and this was why I was getting concerned before Christmas and saying if you were looking to sell, probably advice would be sooner rather than later, within the next 10 days. But still, this hasn't been confirmed. We've only had 3 days of trading, but hasn't continued to push down. And in fact, it's sort of going into sideways range. So probably give this a bit more time. Let's see what happens next week. The same thing, if we suddenly see the price come down and go through this red line here down at 160 and break the 60 SMA, then this will change my mind and confirm that we are seeing a little bit. We will be looking for a pullback then in the short term. But at the moment, I've got nothing more to add to what my advice was before Christmas. Let's have a look, see if this maintains this level next week, and see even if we could get a push up to test this big top of this red candle here, 164. Thanks for watching. Put an update this time next week.